Encouraging people who are scared, and there are lots of scared people out there.
Afternoon, folks. But you forgot what I look like, haven't you? It's been a while. We've all been through a lot, haven't we? But things are slowly returning to normal with caution. Beautiful day. Meeting my good buddy Dave outdoors on the Brown Clee, and we're going for a little hike. And we've got all the kit with us, so if it's not too busy up there or there's no dramas, we'll have a wild camp. Ready to rock. Well, we're about 3/4 of the way of an hour in, and I am feeling it. I don't think lockdown's been kind to me. Put a bit of weight on. Haven't been doing much exercise. Haven't been furloughed, so it's been quite busy. So everybody else, when you see them out jogging and cycling and all the rest of it, I haven't been doing any of that. So even this is gentle on the flat, but with a pack, and bloody hell. Never mind. Wake up call, we'll call it that. So anyway, in a minute we're going to find a junction and we're going to go up, 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 up. So there'll be some puffing, panting and moaning and whining going on then. So I'll probably just cut all that out and see you at the top, and you'll think I'm amazing. That's the easy bit done, and I'm shagged. Now it's uphill. Little way marker back there, style coming from there, and we're basically waddling our way up here into the tree. So we've got to get up at some point, unless we're going to camp here, lads. What do you think?
I like that idea.
Get the wine out, Mike. Boyne Lake, it's all part of the Burwalton estate. I guess it's for ducks, for shooting. And there's a track up there. This is where myself and Hattie came up here a couple of weeks ago on the e-bikes, part of her Levers challenge. It was a beautiful day, and yeah, we had a cracking time. Cycled from home up this way up to the Trig and back down. Stewie's Law.
What's Stewie's Law?
If you see a bench, you've got to sit on it.
Oh, okay.
But yes, we've just come over past Boyne Lake. We're back out into a bit of open country. We've got this fantastic view down to the West Mids there. That'll be lit up tonight. All the roads and all the street lights. If it's a clear night, that'll be a cracking view. And we can see our target up ahead. So we're just working our way. We've got to go back down and then up onto the proper Brown Clee. This is over into the Marches, mid Wales. All the hilly terrain that side. It's flat the other. at that. And those views just keep getting better. Well, here's something. All the years I've been coming up and going down here, and I've always heard about a memorial and never found it. So here we are in memory of the 23 Allied and German airmen who died in flying accidents on the Brown Clee Hills. Dave's arrived at camp.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers, everyone. We're here. Back where it kind of restarted. If you look back on my videos, I think it was spring last year. Dave reached out through YouTube comments and broke me duck. I've been talking about going out camping for about a year and a half before that. And this is where we started at the Titterston, and we hiked up here, and it was fantastic. It was a bit bloody cold if I remember, but it was excellent. So we've come back to kind of relive it. So we've had some crap weather this week, but it's cheered up beautifully, and we're hoping that this evening you'll get a nice sunset over that way. And in the morning, if I remember, the sun rises over there, so we should get all that in. In the meantime, I'll leave you to have a little look at this time lapse. Cheers, one and all. We've brought our resident chef with us. Look, he's even. You got a garlic press, or are you going to?
No, cut it fine. Leave no trace.
Okay. So we've got the, was it Tixlarder? What do they call them?
Lixarder.
Lixarder. Some cat litter going on in there, just burning away nicely. And over here we've got a little folding firebox with a meths burner, and that's going to do the aperitifs. Look at this. This is what it's all about. Got the mushrooms and onions and garlic in there. About a 50-ounce sirloin in there. What's on the red wine? I think we'll have another beer in a minute just to sort that out. This is it. This is the life. Stick a fork in me, I'm done. That was cracking. That was a whopping piece of steak sandwich we had there. Mike's just been a gentleman and he's having his last. But that little stove's done a cracking job of it. Still going. It's only had like 2 handfuls of cat litter, isn't it? Yeah, we're up here. The sun's out now. We've got the view of the West Midlands. And we're full. I think another beer and then put the tent up and go to bed. See you in the morning. Well, we're all up here. There's quite a little gathering here. There's some gentlemen from Wolverhampton that have come to join us. A photographer chap and another bike packer type. And yeah, we've done the sunset. It's 10 o'clock now, I think, and the city lights, as promised, are all starting to light up. That's looking ace. So looking for that out the door of my tent later. And yeah, we've done a bit of drone footage and had a chat, had a little drink, put the world to rights as we do. And yeah, I'll let you ready for my bed in a minute. Getting a bit chilly up here. There's some other guys have turned up here, look, and they're bivvying. Fair play. No tent. I think it's about 11 o'clock. So here's my little bed. Sit up, got my quilt. I haven't told the other fellas yet, but I've got a little hand warmer going on in there. So it's nice and warm inside there. You are?
You gay bear.
So I think little coffee nightcap in order, and then get tucked up. Well, we've had a cracking evening. Watched the sun go down over the Welsh Hills. I'm all tucked up in my bed now. It's a bit of a chilly one, but we're all right. It's not windy, and I don't think we're getting any rain. So I'm in my quilt. Dave's trying his quilt out for the first time, so I've put a lot of faith, telling him it'll be warm. So to God it is. He's screaming in the morning. And going to sit back and watch me film now. So I'll see you lot in the morning. Morning. Isn't that stunning? Not this, that. Waited a long while for this. We've waited a long time to go camping, and we've had to wait even longer to get a decent morning and an evening. But there it is. It's just gone 5. It's not cold, hasn't been frosty. It was nippy in the night, but we're all toasty in our quilts. So thank you, Ice Flame. Yeah, it's a beautiful morning. So just going to go over and get the kettle on, get a coffee down us, and then we'll slowly pack up probably and head on down while it's still glorious. Mike's fed us well, look. There's another round of chefology. Bacon and tomatoes and mushrooms. Thank you very much, Mr. Halliday. Right, that's me nearly packed. Just got to dry that footprint off and put that away. Tent's dry, which is good. One thing I do on a camp is I always bring a sort of rubbish bag that I can reuse. Obviously we don't leave any mess, that's just a given. I just take 10 minutes to go round a bit wider where we've been and just have a bit of a clean up of other people's shit. We've just noticed a few bits. There's a mask there and 1 or 2 bits of bottle tops and stuff, so we'll just take that away with us. This is the leave no trace policy. It seems to have caught people's attention a bit more at the moment, because there's some people, and they're certainly not from our community, that have been going out into the nice places and just leaving all their shit behind. God knows what's going on there. I'm sure it's a short-term thing. I hope it is, but it's giving us all a bit of a bad name. The word wild camping. That's what, you know, somebody who reads the Daily Mail, that's what they think of. So we're going to do our little bit, and we're going to clean up this sort of zone that we've been on the Brown Clee. Hey gents and ladies, we have left camp. We've tidied up some other people's rubbish as well, and left it as we found it, if not a little bit better. And the time is 7:30 in the morning. So we are off. I think we might see these other people. There was some two couples bivvying just down there a bit, and I think they're still there, so we'll wave good morning to them, and we're heading back to the cars now. Well, ladies and gents, thank you for joining us. That has been a cracking little wild camp. Not too much of a slog to get up there, although it nearly killed me. But beautiful weather, and that did not make a difference. A lovely evening up there. Bit of banter, met a couple of other people. They were good company as well. And these two fine gentlemen. Thank you, Dave. Thank you, Michael. We enjoyed that, and we're nearly back at the car now, and it's just gone 8 o'clock. That's what I said. When you are camping, you are up early. Best part of the day. So thank you for watching. See you on the next one, and that's me for now. Cheerio. Cheers.